Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's Home. Today is another day of spring cleaning and we're going to tackle some areas in my living room and give it a good tidy and give it a good, wipe down, and we're going to move some furniture and get underneath everything and just try to get those places that you don't get on a typical run through whenever you clean your house. So the first thing I am tackling is these drawers right in my TV stand. This is my catch-all drawers. Tools, screws, tape, just any kind of miscellaneous anything seems to end up in these drawers. And so I'm going to try to give them a good wipe out and a good quick organize and put all the tools together because, I don't need the giant toolbox every single day, but maybe once a week I might need a screwdriver or I might need a box cutter, but I'm not going to need everything. And I might even need a little hammer, or if you probably see here, like a ruler or, just something small, but I'm not going to need the big giant tackle box, which I leave that upstairs inside my attic door. But I just try to keep just the few little essentials in here because I know that those are the items that I'm going to need on a regular basis. So once the drawers and the top of my TV is completed, I'm going to open up these cabinet doors down below and give these a good wipe out. There might be a couple items inside here that I may relocate somewhere else, but most everything is going to stay the same. They get dusty. And so I've got to take the stuff out of there and just give it a good wipe down, wipe the clear glass on the doors just to make sure there's no spots or anything. Just basically just give it a good tidy. Time to get on the ladder again and give my mirror a nice wipe down. I also wipe down that register in the ceiling. I just make sure I get any type of cobwebs or anything that might be there. There really wasn't much of anything because I do try my very best to keep my living room really clean because we have a lot of company and that kind of thing. but I am going to give this mirror a good wipe down. So I'm kind of goofing off a little bit here, but my mom bought me these angels. They're really heavy. Every time I pick up one, I feel like I have won a Grammy Award, and I hold it in my hand and I say, it's such a pleasure to win. I want to thank my mother and all my YouTubers for allowing me to do these cleaning videos. Anyways, I'm goofing off. But anyhow, I am wiping down my fireplace. A lot of you have asked me, where do I purchase my microfiber cloths? I get them in a giant bulk bag at Sam's Club, and they're actually in the automotive section. Absolutely love them. Whenever I'm cleaning with these, I know you guys are probably like, she's using the same rag. It is not the same rag. What I do is I clean and then I go and I drop it in a bucket in my laundry room, and I get a clean one to do the next whatever it is that I'm doing. And then when my bucket is full, I throw them all in my washing machine and I give them a good wash. I have recently found out that they really wash up nicely if you add a little Pine Sol to your load when you wash these. It gets everything out of them, and I absolutely love that. By the way, if you want to know what I just showed you, those are actually the little rings that you pull out of your wax burner, you know, like after it hardens. I take a knife and I pull it out, and then I stick it in that drawer over there because I'm lazy. And I had a whole stack of them, so I threw those away. I absolutely love my wax burner. I love to burn the little melty wax things. And every time I go out, I feel like I gotta buy a new scent. Let me know, do you guys have a particular scent that you're crazy about? Because here recently, I've not really been real enthusiastic about any of the ones that I have seen out in the store. So let me know what you suggest. Woke up this morning to 29 degrees outside. However, if you see that window, you feel like it's 80 degrees outside because it's super sunny. It's gorgeous out, but it is, at this time, I think that I'm cleaning this window, I think that it is 39 degrees outside. So there will be no cleaning the window on the outside, but that is coming very, very soon. And I am just absolutely impatient about it because I love to get my outside of my house all cleaned and get my lawn furniture looking nice and bring my cushions out. And I just have not been able to do that yet. It's not been warm enough. So I am hoping and praying for warmer weather soon. this is my last task, is getting this very messy coffee table put back together. It has been a good, successful run so far on these spring cleaning videos. Stay tuned for more to be uploaded and coming your way next week. I'm looking forward to having my house all clean and nice. I have really been enjoying it. I think it looks so nice when it's done, and I feel so good about things. But thank you so much for sticking with me this week. I hope you all enjoyed doing some more cleaning with me. Have a wonderful day. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.